expecting nothing but destruction like Cyclops without a shade. Try not to lose my temper like Bruce Banner in a painful rage. With God on my side, I'm indestructible like a military tank. Just fishing to catch fans so my music can blow up like grenades. I've got rhymes so virgin tight, sharper than Wolverine's blades. Sin free that the Pharisees judge me guilty, but for me it's all the same. God knows pain. September 14th of 1982, I fell out of heaven like rain. I learned that people are rats like Splinter. If they get jammed up, they mention your name. Jesus is the leader of the rebellion, cause it's not easy to go in against the grain. I was so arrogant like Tony Stark, I was carrying my iron. Jesus is the leader of the rebellion, cause it's not easy to go in against the grain. I was so arrogant like Tony Stark, I was carrying my iron